In this video, we're going to see how this Ridstar Q20 handles the off-road riding and some trails. Now this bike is equipped with a 48 volt 20 amp hour battery mated to a 1000 watt hub motor that peaks at 1200 watts. We're going to do some light off-road riding on these ATC or motorbike trails. Here in Florida, there's a few little hills and we'll test it on that. Let's see how she does off-road. Not too bad up that hill. Pretty good. This bike really handles these types of trails great. The seat is nice and comfortable and the rear shock absorbs things. It's definitely a fun ride. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this bike. It has some good low-end torque. You can see here when it goes over some of the hills and turns, it does fairly well. Obviously, you don't get the torque like you do with a dirt bike on the low end, but once you get this thing rolling, it definitely keeps its momentum up and can handle the turns quite well. The full suspension is definitely nice, and air suspension would be a big improvement, but these oil-filled forks do a pretty good job along with the brakes. So I hope that you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.